Are you looking for free ways to earn USDC? I have tested a lot of platforms, and in this video I'll show you 6 realistic methods you can start using today. No hype, no scams, just platforms that actually work. And make sure you watch to the end because I'll also share a simple way to turn almost any crypto reward into USDC, giving you way more options than just these 6. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I share honest reviews and tips about different ways to make money online so you can find the best opportunities for you. And today's topic is USDC. It's one of the most popular stablecoins currently, and I have tested many platforms and only a handful actually let you earn USDC directly currently. So in this video I'll take you through 6 legit options, and at the end I'll also show you how to find more options to earn crypto you can easily convert into USDC as well, to give you more opportunities and in some cases even better opportunities. So before we get into the platforms, let's quickly talk about why USDC might be interesting to earn. Unlike many cryptocurrencies, USDC is a stablecoin, which means its value is pegged to the US dollar. So 1 USDC is always worth around $1. That makes it much more predictable compared to volatile coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum and many others. This can be useful if you want to earn crypto for free but don't want the value of your rewards dropping potentially overnight. Of course, they will also then not go up overnight, so that's of course something you have to consider. So you can then hold USDC if you want to, or if you prefer you can easily swap it to other cryptos at a time where you find it's the best time in the market to do that, or you can even also cash it out. The challenge though is that there are only a few free online earning platforms that actually let you earn USDC directly that are worth it in my experience. And that's why I went through all the sites that I've tested and found the ones that really do, and that in my opinion also actually are worth considering. And I'll show you all these 6 options here next. But first we just need to talk about the earning potential. So how much can you then earn from these platforms? It's always important to do things like this with the right expectations. I am not here talking about magical ways to become a crypto millionaire or rich overnight or anything like that. These are all completely free methods, but it will only be for some extra money on the side. You will have to put in some time and effort to do small tasks. It can be playing games, taking surveys, signing up for free trials, watching videos, clicking ads, all kind of small tasks you can do. And then in return you will earn rewards, and these rewards on these specific platforms here can then be exchanged into USDC and in many cases also other rewards. So it's not as such a prioritized list because which of the options that are the best really depends on your personal preferences. I'll just show you 6 different options. You can use all of them, just a few of them, however many you want, that's completely up to you. So let's now get to the platforms. So the first platform I want to show you is PriceRebel, and PriceRebel is one of the get paid to sites I have used for the longest. It's quite user friendly, it's available worldwide, and it gives you quite a lot of different ways to earn by taking paid surveys, playing games, taking paid offers, all kind of ways, and it has a great bonus program. So the more active you are, the more benefits you get. And then when you've earned $5, you can actually get paid in different ways, for example gift cards, PayPal, or crypto also, in some countries even Venmo and bank transfer also. When it comes to getting paid in USDC, you would need to then choose the BitPay option. You can choose either $5 or you can accumulate more and then use a custom amount, and then you can withdraw however much you want to of what you have earned in your account here. And through BitPay you need to first create a BitPay account, but you don't have to worry about that. It doesn't take long or anything like that. It's just the first time you do it, PriceRebel will guide you through how to do it. You just follow the steps and then you will set up a BitPay account, and inside there you choose the crypto. So here you just choose you want to withdraw. You can see some of the different options here. Inside the BitPay account you will just choose it, the wallet you want to get paid to. It can be any wallet there, and then here you just need to come and choose the amount and click withdraw, and then it will automatically be paid into. So once you have set it up, you can of course go in and change the crypto and the wallet if you want to at some point inside BitPay. But other than that, you just come in here. If you know you just want it into USDC wallet, you just come here, you click, and next time you then do it, you just click to withdraw the amount and claim now, and then it will go into that wallet. Next platform that pays in USDC is EarnLab, and this is a get paid to site that I started using fairly recently, but I actually kind of like it because it has quite a lot of different ways to earn. It has paid offers, games, a lot of offer walls, as you can see, a lot of different survey providers, some different other bonus rewards you can get. And then you can see what I really like about it is actually when it comes to the reward, it has a lot of options, even some cryptos that there are not a lot of legit get paid to sites that actually offer there. And one of them is also USDC that you can withdraw. You only need to earn, I believe it's around 50 cents or $1 for most of the crypto rewards. Some of the other rewards you need to earn a little bit more to withdraw, but then it overall is not a high payout threshold, so usually it doesn't take long to actually earn enough to withdraw, and EarnLab is also available in basically all countries. Next we have Idle Empire, a get paid to site that I have actually also used for quite a while. I would say it's not one of my favorites, but it is one of the ones where you can get paid in USDC, so that's why I'm mentioning it here. It does have ways to earn where you can take paid surveys, paid offers, watching videos. The rewards are not amazing or anything like that, but it's just an average get paid to site. It hasn't really developed much over the years. It has now fewer different reward options, so that's one thing you just need to be aware of. But if you want to get paid in USDC, you can choose this Binance gift card, and you can see then it's a Binance USDC gift card, and you can withdraw that already from when you've earned 50 cents, and then the maximum here is $5. So if you have earned more, you would have to make several withdrawals. A little bit inconvenient if you want to save up, let's say $10, $50, or $100 or something like that. So that's one aspect I don't like of it, where the other platforms you can withdraw higher amounts if you want to. But it does have this option. You just need to be aware that this is only for Binance, whereas the others you can do it into any wallet where you have USDC. Reward XP is next, and this is a get paid to site where you can find many ways to earn. You can find the offer walls, paid surveys, watching videos, games. You see they have a lot of different partners here, and then when you redeem, you have all these different options, and you can see there are some gift cards, and there's also PayPal, and then they have a crypto voucher or Coinbase. And if we're talking about USDC, you should choose the Coinbase option. You can see here that would be going into your Coinbase account as USDC. So this particular platform here is limited to only getting paid into Coinbase. You can see the minimum payout threshold is just $5. You can also choose this crypto voucher, but be aware that that has a fee. Usually when you then convert it into crypto, this particular voucher, they actually charge the provider of this voucher here something like 10 to 20% or so, so it's quite an expensive option, whereas with Coinbase they don't charge that, but of course it requires you to actually want to get your USDC into Coinbase. And speaking of Coinbase, that is actually the fifth option I wanted to talk about here, because on Coinbase itself they actually let you earn USDC also. So let's say you actually withdraw your USDC into Coinbase, then you can see you can earn 4.1% rewards just by holding USDC on Coinbase. I'm not saying that I think Coinbase is the best platform or gives the highest rewards. I've actually seen that there's talk about them actually offering even up to 10% sometimes, or for certain campaigns or so. So of course it's a nice reward if you just want to hold USDC, but no, you need to figure out yourself if Coinbase is the place you want to hold it, or if you want to hold it in a wallet that's not an exchange and things like that. That's something that you need to decide. I just want to show you that Coinbase actually does offer that as a free way to earn USDC just by holding it. And speaking of earning USDC just by holding it, another option that offers this is Trust Wallet. There's actually quite a few platforms that offer this. So if you already have an exchange or a wallet, so maybe it also offers it. It's definitely something worth looking into. You can see Trust Wallet also lets you do that by holding USDC. You can earn rewards. So that means if you're planning to hold it for a while, you basically earn passively just by having it there. So these two last options here is not something where you need to be active. It's once you have actually earned the USDC, or if you have something already, then these are just two examples of platforms that allow you to earn passive interest on them. And for the first four options I talked about here, I have full reviews, tutorials, everything, join links if you want to get started. I'll leave links to that below so you can easily get started. And the last two here, that's more as an inspiration to say, look into these options where you can actually just store your USDC. Maybe you already have an exchange that does it. If not, it's definitely something worth looking into. But let's now also just go over the bonus tip I promised earlier. Now, as promised, here's a little bonus tip that can give you more opportunities to earn USDC. Because as you can see, there are only a handful of sites and apps that actually pay out in USDC. But many more platforms reward you in other popular coins, like for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And the good news is that you can then earn from these and then easily swap those rewards into USDC with just a few clicks if you only want USDC as a reward. So instead of just limiting yourself to only platforms that pay directly in USDC, you can use many other platforms, as there honestly are some of these other ways and earning platforms that give better earning opportunities and higher rewards compared to some of the ones that are showed here. So this gives way more options and is often the fastest way to build up your stablecoin balance. And I do have on my website, for example, a list of the best free ways to earn Bitcoin, also a list of the best free ways to earn Solana, and the best free ways to earn Ethereum, 3 of the most popular cryptos. So I'll leave links to this below, as well as to the platforms I mentioned earlier there, so you can go and check that out and easily get started with the platforms you want to get started with. And also, if this video helped you, I would really appreciate if you could give it a like to show me support, and also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.